How can I extract all values from a dictionary in Python? I have a dictionary D equals 1 column minus 0.3246, 2 column minus 0.9185, 3 column minus 3985, ... How do I extract all of the values of D into a list L?
Call the values method on the dict.
If you only need the dictionary keys 1, 2, and 3, use your _dict.keys. If you only need the dictionary values minus 0.3246, minus 0.9185, and minus 3985, use your _dict.values. If you want both keys and values, use your _dict.items, which returns a list of tuples, key 1, value 1, key 2, value 2, ... Use values.
For nested dicts, lists of dicts, and dicts of listed dicts, you can use an example. Big thanks to Advocate for pointing out that strings are also iterable. I updated my answer accordingly. PS, yes, I love yield. Winky face.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.